Imagine a future where robots can work together seamlessly across different domains and environments to achieve complex tasks. This is the promise of multi-domain autonomous robot swarms. But it's a future that has been hindered by fragmented communication and control systems. However, Hive Robotics, a Munich-based startup, is on a mission to change that. The company has just closed a €2 million pre-seed funding round, led by B2 Venture. With participation from renowned VCs and business angels to power the future of autonomous robot swarms. But here's where it gets interesting. Hive Robotics' solution has the potential to democratize swarming AI, making it accessible to a broad range of industries, from disaster response to infrastructure monitoring. And this is the part most people miss. The company's AI-driven control layer simplifies complex coordination, turning fleets of drones, rovers, and unmanned vessels into cohesive, real-time teams. Founded by aviation veterans Sebastian Mores and Dr. Burak Yüksel, Hive Robotics is driven by a mission to make autonomous teaming accessible to all. As Dr. Yüksel shared, after years in the aviation industry, I saw firsthand that fragmented control and communication were a major bottleneck. Hive Robotics was founded to unify robot control, perception, and communication in one modular platform. The company's proprietary C3, Command, Control, Connect architecture is what sets it apart, enabling robots of all sizes to share data and operate collaboratively, even in GPS-denied or challenging environments. But what does this mean for the future of robotics? As CEO Sebastian Mores explained, we provide swarm intelligence to autonomous unmanned systems in air, ground, and sea. We develop industrial-grade HW and SW modules for secure communication, robotic perception, and drone control, with an AI-powered SW layer distributed between the unmanned systems that works across the swarm for the purpose of decentralized swarm intelligence. And this is where the controversy starts. Some may argue that Hive Robotics' solution is too ambitious, that it's trying to solve a problem that's too complex. But others may see it as a game changer, a solution that could revolutionize the way we approach robotics and automation. As Mores added, Hive Robotics is driving this transition by providing reliable solutions that connect, command, and control unmanned systems across all domains, making teaming and swarming a reality. The company's approach has already garnered attention from renowned investors who see the potential for Hive Robotics to make a significant impact in the industry. But what about the competition? The swarm robotics landscape is diverse, with companies like Boston Dynamics, Hydromea, Swarm Farm, and K-Team Corporation delivering advanced solutions across aerial, underwater, and ground robotics. However, Hive Robotics distinguishes itself by offering a holistic, multi-domain framework that unifies heterogeneous systems across air, land, sea, and space into one seamless and scalable ecosystem. So what's next for Hive Robotics? The recently secured €2 million will accelerate the company's roadmap, helping it build its engineering team and expand partnerships with original equipment manufacturers, OEMs. As Mores concluded, we want Hive to be the backbone for robotics collaboration worldwide, empowering new entrants, lowering barriers, and tackling the world's most urgent missions with AI-powered swarms. And this is where we ask you, do you think Hive Robotics' solution has the potential to revolutionize the robotics industry? Do you see any challenges or limitations to their approach? Share your thoughts in the comments below.